everyone. This is Shantan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal, Hyderabad. Today topic is Fourier series in the given interval is 0, 2l. In previous classes, we discussed whenever the given function is lies in between the limits are minus pi, pi, 0, 2 pi, and other limits are given, then how to find the solution we discussed clearly. But now, today, we are going to discuss in the arbitrary interval that is 0, 2l, but it is not clearly in the limits are in between that pi, pi. It is only that arbitrary periods. First of all, we'll go to discuss what is the required Fourier series in the interval that is 0, 2l. The Fourier series for the function f of x in the interval 0, 2l is defined by, that is f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, that is an into cos n pi x by l into dx plus bn into sin n pi x by l is a value, where the constants are a0, an, bn are the Euler coefficients or Fourier coefficients. Here the value of a0 is equal to, that is 1 by l integration 0 to 2l f of x into dx, and similarly that an also, that 1 by l integration 0 to 2l that f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx, and finally the bn is also that 1 by l integration 0 to 2l into f of x sin n pi x by l into dx is a value. That means any problem is given, first of all we need to check out that what is the given limits, whether it is the limits are in terms of pi or in terms of the l, that is arbitrary periods. And if it is given the limits are arbitrary periods, you need to observe whether it is a 0 to l or something 0 to l. But whenever the given problem is 0 to l, then we go to discuss with the help of this is the processor. And in that, first of all, you identify what is the value of l. Now, we'll go to discuss that one of the problem, that is f of x, that is find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to, that is x square in between 0, 2. That means, while we are going to observing here, the problem is not depends on the periodic function pi. It is given the limits are in between, that is arbitrary periods. That means here also it is not given that certain, that is half range series or something half range cosine or half range sine. It is specifically asking to find out, that is find the Fourier series. That means you need to comparison with the help of the 0, 2l. And here now we'll go to discuss that what about the limits comparison with the help of, that is a c, c plus 2l. And while we are going to observing the c, c plus 2l, there is nothing but the limits are given 0, 2. While we are going to comparison once again, it is a c is equal to 0, and again the c plus 2l is equal to, that is a 2 is a value. Now, while we are going to replace that c is equal to 0 once again, that is equal to 2l is equal to 2. Therefore, the 2l is equal to 2 is nothing but l is equal to the limit is a 1 only. Therefore, here the limits are clearly in between 0 to 2l by using the condition here that l is equal to 1 is a limit. Now, we need to find out the values are, that is a required Fourier series. The required Fourier series purpose, we need to find out first of all what is the a0. Therefore, already we discussed that is a value of a0 is equal to, that is 1 by l integrations c to c plus 2l into f of x into dx, and we know that that is also that l is equal to 1. Already we just here identify. Therefore, by using that l is equal to 1, that is 1 by 1 integration 0 to 2 into x square into dx. Why? Because the given function f of x is equal to x square. Now we need to do that integration part, that is integration of x square is x cubed by 3, and again the certain limits in between 0 to 2 only. By replacement of upper limit and also the lower limit, here clearly there is a 2 cubed by 3 minus that is a 0 is a value. Therefore, the value of a0 is equal to clearly, that is 8 by 3 is a clear conclusion. Now, similarly we need to find out what is the value of an. Therefore, according to that an also, that formula we know that that is 1 by l integration c to c plus 2l, and again f of x into cos 2n n by x by l into dx. And here also, while we are going to replace that l is equal to 1, that is 1 by 1 integration 0 to 2, that is f of x into, that is cos n by x into dx. And here you need to do that integration by parts. And according to the integration by parts, as we know that integration by using the by Leibniz formula, or that is also that integrating by parts. Therefore, it is that is also Bernoulli formula. Here first is the u and second one is the dv. You consider. Therefore, the formula integration of that x square into cos nx into dx is equal to, there is x square, and again the derivative of x square, that is a 2x, and the 2x derivative is also, that is a 2 value. Now we need to replace that cos nx integration, that is a derivative. Therefore, first term is that the integration is cos nx is sin pi x by n by, and again one more time integration here, then you obtain that is minus cos n pi x by that is n pi whole square. And one more time also, while we are going to apply the integration, it is equal to minus sin n pi x by that is n pi whole cube. And here in between the terms, it is a plus minus by using the Bernoulli formula. And now also we need to replace that after that integration by parts. Then you need to replace that upper limit and also the lower limit. And as we know that upper limit that is equal to that is a 2 and also 0, while we are going to replace that at x is equal to that is a 2, here one by one the values are clearly that is equal to clearly we know that sin n pi is equal to that is at x is equal to 2, that is a sin 2 n pi is equal to 0. And similarly, the cos 2 and cos n pi x is also, while we are going to replace that x is equal to 2, that is a cos 2 n pi is equal to, for all values, it is equal to 1 only. Therefore, by using this value, when you are going to replace in that first bracket, according to here, the first term is equal to 0. And again that similarly 0 plus, and again 4 into, that is equal to 1 by n square pi square minus, again here that 0. And again by using that second integration, the limits by using the upper limit as well as the lower limit, that is a 0. Here that is a sin n pi x that is equal to at x is equal to 0, that sin 0 is also 0. And again in second one part, that is a cos n pi x at x is equal to 0, that cos 0 is equal to 1 value. Now while we are going to replace here the lower limit by using these are the values including the upper limit as well as the lower limit. Here the first term it is 0, and again the second term 0, and again the minus the third term is also 0 by replacement of that 1 by 1, that is upper limit and also the lower limit. Now we need to do that simplification of this totally. You obtain that clearly, that is a 4 by n square into that is a pi square is a value. And similarly, we need to find out what is a bn value. Therefore, the value of that bn is also according to by using the formula 1 by L integration 0 to 2L into f of x into that is a sin n pi x by L into dx. And here also we know that L is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by 1 integration 0 to 2 into x square into sin n pi x into dx. And once again, here also by using the integration by parts, here it is equal to that is equal to x square is the first term, and again the derivative of x square is a that is a 2x, and one more time derivative is nothing but that is a 2 value. And again next similarly that sin n pi x in the integration according to by integrating formula, that is equal to minus cos n pi x by n pi, and again that once again the integration this one it is a minus sin n pi x by that is n pi whole square, and one more time while we are going to integrating that is a cos n pi x by that is a n pi whole cube, and in between the two terms it is equal to plus minus and again that plus and also the values. Now we need to replace that according to that upper limit and also the lower limit. Therefore, while we are going to replacing the upper limit, it is equal to that is clearly that is x square into that is a minus cos n pi x by n pi. Here that according to this the integration by parts. Now we need to replace that upper limit and also the lower limit, that is equal to 1 by 1. Similarly in the previous, that is cos n pi x is equal to the value at x is equal to 2, that is a sin n 2 n pi is equal to 0. And similarly, that is a cos n pi x at the point of that x is equal to 2, that is a cos 2 n pi is equal to that is a also 1 value. Therefore, by using this value, when you are going to replace in the first one, that is a minus of that is a 4, and again 1 by n pi minus that is also that is a minus into minus is also plus, that is a plus into 0, and again that plus into that is a 2 into that is a cos n pi x is nothing but that is a 1 value, that is 1 by n cube into pi cube. Now we need to go to replacing that by using the lower limit. According to by the lower limit, that is also cos n pi x at x is equal to that is a 0, that is a sin 0 is equal to that is a 0, and similarly cos n pi x that is a 0 at cos 0 is equal to 1 only. Therefore, once again by using this value in that given equation replacement of, it is the first term it is a 0, and again minus 2 into that also something 0, and again plus 2 into that first cos n pi is the value is 1, that is a 2 by that is n cube into pi cube. Therefore, after that simplification of here, once again you obtain that is equal to that is minus 4 by n pi, that is a plus, and again plus 2 by that is n cube into pi cube, it is equal to minus that is a 2 by that is n cube into pi cube. Here, after that cancellation of that plus 2 by n cube plus pi cube, and again minus 2 by n cube pi cube, the value is equal to it is a minus 4 by n pi is a value. Here, now it is completed, that is a naught value and an value, and finally it is a bn is also completed. By using these are the Euler's coefficients, now you need to replace the required Fourier series, that is f of x is equal to whatever the given equation required, that is a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity plus bn into that is a sin n pi x by L L. By using that here L value and also an value, an, a0 to an, bn value, and including the given function f of x. Therefore, the final series is a that is equal to f of x is equal to that is 8 by 3 and again by 2, that is for the 2 to cancel, it is equal to 4 by 3 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. That an values already we know that is a 4 by n square into pi square. Therefore, that is a 4 by n square into pi square into cos, that is a n pi x, plus bn is also we completed, that is a minus 4 by n pi. Therefore, here minus 4 by n pi into that is a sin n pi x is a required Fourier series. This is a clear example. And now we'll go to discuss that one other example, that is obtain the Fourier series for f of x is equal to e power minus x in the interval 0 comma that is also 2. And while we are going to observing here, this problem is also not depends on the given interval is pi terms. It is also that arbitrary periods. And when we are going to observing here, these arbitrary periods are also not like 0 to L. It is also clearly 0 to 2L. Why? Because in this clearly it is not asking any half range series. It is clearly asking that find the Fourier series only. That means we need to assume that is a full range series. And here also the required Fourier series is f of x is equal to that is a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus bn into sin n pi x by L is a required series. And before going to discuss that one, we need to find out what about the limits of L is equal to what is the value. And here comparison, the limits are with the help of that c comma c plus 2L is equal to, that is a limits are given, it is a 0 comma 2 only. And here once again that comparison c is equal to 0 and again that c plus 2L is also 2 value. Therefore, by using this c is equal to 0, therefore L is equal to, you obtain the value is equal to 1 only. Therefore, by using in between that 0 comma 1, therefore you need to find out the required Fourier series. Therefore, first we need to find out similarly a0 value. Therefore, that a0 is equal to, we know that is 1 by L integration c to L to, that is a c to c plus 2L into f of x into dx. And here you know that L is equal to 1. Therefore, that f of x is also given the function, you assume that is e power minus x. Therefore, 1 by 1 into integration 0 to 2, that is e power minus x into that is a dx. And here the integration of e power minus x is equal to that is a minus e power minus x in between 1 comma 2 only. By using that upper limit 2 and again that lower limit that is a 0, therefore after replacement of upper and also lower, the values is equal to, it is a e power of minus 2 by minus 1 and minus of e power of minus 0 by that is a minus 1. Therefore, after the total simplification of by using the e power minus 2 and e power 0, the value is equal to minus e power minus 2 and again plus 1 is the value. This is the value of a0 with the help of the given function f of x in between 0 comma 2 value. Now we need to find out what is the value of an. And similarly, the value of an is also that we know that 1 by L into integration c to c plus 2L into f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. And here also we are going to replace that L is equal to that is 1 and again f of x is equal to e power minus x. Therefore, that is 1 by 1 integration 0 to 2 e power minus x into that is cos n pi x into that is a dx. Therefore, here we need to do that by using the integrating by parts. That we know that integration by parts, that is a formula, integration of e power minus ax or something e power ax into cos bx is equal to, as we know that e power ax by that is a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c is the value. While we are going to comparison here, that a is equal to clearly that is a minus 1 and b is equal to that is a n pi. Therefore, by using here a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to n pi, we need to replace in the required the integration by part formula, that is e power minus ax by that is e power minus x by that is a minus 1 whole square by plus that is a b square is nothing but n square plus pi square and again into that is a cos bx is nothing but minus 1 into that is a cos that is a n pi x plus that b is equal to here that n pi, therefore n pi into that is a sin n pi x into the limits in between 0 comma 2 value. Now we need to go to replace that upper limit is equal to 2 and lower limit is equal to 0. Therefore, it is equal to, by using the upper limit and also the lower limit, it is clearly here that cos n pi, that is a value according to by using that cos n pi x is equal to at x is equal to 2, that is a sin 2 n pi is equal to 0, and similarly cos n pi x is also at x is equal to 2, that for all values of even values cos 2 n pi is equal to 1 value. Therefore, by using this value, the first within the bracket e power minus 2 by that is 1 plus that is n square pi square into minus 1 minus half the within by using the lower limit also, that is a sin n pi, and again that at x is equal to 0, that is a 0, and again cos n pi at the point of that is 0, x is equal to that is a 0, the value is equal to 1. By using here also that second bracket, the value is e power 0 by 1 plus n square pi square into that is a minus 1. Now once again after the simplification of here, you obtain that clearly minus of that is e power of minus 2 by that is 1 plus n square pi square plus 1 by 1 plus n square pi square. Therefore, by using once again here, you need to take out common outside, that is 1 by 1 plus n square pi square into that is minus of e power minus 2, and again plus 1 is the value. Now we need to find out similarly the value of bn also. The formula of that bn is equal, that is a 1 by L into integration c to c plus 2L into f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. Here also, while we are going to replace that L is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to e power minus x, therefore it is 1 by 1 into integration 0 to 2, that is e power minus x into sin n pi x into dx. And once again, we are going to using that is a integrating by part formula, as we know that integration of e power ax into sin bx into dx is equal to e power ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c is the formula. And comparison to here, that a is equal to clearly that is equal to value is a minus 1 and b is equal to the value is equal to n pi. Therefore, by using here a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to that is n pi, while we are going to replace in the required formula, that is a e power minus ax, that is e power minus x by that is a minus 1 whole square plus n pi, that is a whole square, into that a is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into that is a sin, that is n pi x, and again minus b is nothing but it is n pi. Therefore, n pi into that is a cos n pi x. In between, that is a 0 to 2. And again, once again, by using that upper limit and also the lower limit, here the value is equal to that is a 1 by 1 within the first bracket and also the second bracket, by using the formula of that is equal to cos 2n pi at the point of that x is equal to that is a 2 value, that is a 0 value, that is a 0. And again, similarly, that is a sin 2n pi is also at x is equal to 2, that sin 2n pi is also 0. Therefore, by using here sin 2n pi is equal to 0 and cos 2n pi is equal to 1, while we are going to replace in that first bracket, the value is equal to minus n pi. And again, that second bracket is also similarly the value of that sin n pi at x is equal to that is a 0, the value is equal to 0. And again, that cos 2n pi x at the point of that x is equal to that is a 2 value, x is equal to 0, the value is equal to cos 0 is also 1. By using these two values also, while we are going to replace in the second bracket, the value is equal to minus n pi. And again, after that simplification of here, it is clearly obtained that minus e power minus 2 into n pi by that is 1 plus that is n square pi square. And again, the second bracket is also plus n pi by that is 1 plus that is n square into pi square. And here also, if you are going to take out common, that is the n pi by that is 1 plus n square pi square, the remaining term within the bracket, that is a minus e power minus 2 and again plus 1 is the value. Therefore, here completed the values are a naught, an and also bn. Now, our concept is required the Fourier series. Therefore, when you are going to replace in the required Fourier series, therefore f of x is equal to that is a naught by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L into plus bn sin n pi x by L is the value. As we know that the value of a naught is equal to minus e power minus 2 plus 1, and an is also that is minus e power minus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus n square pi square. And similarly, we know that bn is also that is n pi into minus e power minus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus n square into pi square. By using all these, the Euler's coefficients are something Fourier coefficients in that given required Fourier series. The total series is f of x is equal to that is equal to minus e power minus 2 plus 1 by 2 plus summation that is n is equal to 1 to infinity, and again minus e power minus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus n square pi square into that is a cos n pi x is the value. And similarly, plus that is n pi into that is minus e power minus 2 plus 1 by that is 1 plus n square into pi square into that is a sin n pi x is the value. This is the required our Fourier series for f of x is equal to e power minus x in between that is a 0 comma 2 is the value. Now we'll go to discuss one other, that is find the Fourier series for the periodic function, that is f of x is equal to pi into sin n pi x. and again where the limits are in between 0 is less than x is less than 1. Here p is equal to that is nothing but 2l, therefore l is equal to 1. That means in this problem directly given the limits that is equal to l is equal to 1, or that is a p is equal to 1 only. Therefore if the required Fourier series comparison that is a c comma c plus 2l is equal to that is a 0 comma l 1, therefore that c is equal to 0 and c plus 2l is equal to 1 only. While we are going to replacing that c is equal to 0 in that value, therefore l is equal to the value is a 1 by 2 is a value. Therefore in between the limit 0 comma 1 by 2, now we want to require that find the Fourier series or Fourier coefficients. Therefore the value of that an is equal to, first we need to find out that is 1 by l integration that is a c to c plus 2l into f of x into dx. Therefore we know that l is equal to that is a value of 1 by 2. Therefore by using that l is equal to 1 by 1 by 2 into integration 0 to 1, the function f pi into that is a sin pi x into that is a dx. And here that 1 by 2 is nothing but that is a 2 pi is take out common constant. The integration of 0 to 1 into sin pi x in between 0 to 1. Therefore that integration of sin pi x is nothing but it is a minus cos pi x by that is a pi value. Now we want to replace that upper limit at x is equal to 1 and again x is equal to 0. Therefore it is a p and p both are cancelled. After replacing an upper and lower limit, there is a minus 2 into that is cos pi and again minus cos 0 is a value. Here we know that the cos pi is nothing but the value is equal to minus 1 and minus cos 0 is also 1. Therefore it is nothing but total the value of a naught is equal to clearly that is equal to 4 only. And similarly we want to require to find out the second one that is an value. Therefore the an is also, as we know that the formula 1 by l integration c to c plus 2l into f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx. And here also we need to replace that l is equal to that is a value of 1 by 2 and again the function f of x is equal to that is a pi into that is a sin pi x. And again by using all these values that is a pi and f of x, therefore 1 by 1 by 2 into integration 0 to 1 that is a pi into sin pi x into cos n pi x by that is a 1 by 2 into dx. And again here after that simplification here the 2 into integration 0 to 1 that is a pi into sin pi x into cos 2n pi x into dx. And while we are going to observing here that pi is a constant, you need to take out common outside. The 2 is you consider inside. Therefore after interchanging that is a pi and also 2, therefore integration that is pi into integration 0 to 1 that is a 2 into sin pi x into cos 2n pi x into dx. And here when we are going to observing this problem, it is the integration by parts. Therefore before going to applying the integrating by parts, it is clearly satisfied there is a 2 sin a into cos b. Therefore as we know that the formula for the 2 sin a cos b is equal to, here according to that sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is a value. Therefore by using that sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, while you are going to replacing here there is pi into integration of 0 to 1, here that is a is equal to here pi x and b is equal to that is a 2n pi x only. Therefore that is a sin of a plus b is nothing but pi x plus 2n pi n pi x plus that is a sin of a minus b is nothing but sin of pi x minus that is a 2n pi x into dx. And here we need to integrating with respect to dx. Therefore according to that first one that is a pi into the integration of sin is nothing but that is a value of here individually divide that is equal to, you take out common x is outside, there is a pi into integration 0 to 1, there is a sin of pi plus 2n pi into x plus here also the second term is also x take out common. Therefore sin of that is a pi minus 2n pi into x into with respect to dx. Now we want to do that integration by parts once again. Therefore pi into that is a sin integration is a minus cos. Therefore minus cos of that is a pi plus 2n pi into x by that is a coefficient of x is a pi plus 2n pi, therefore divided by pi plus 2n pi. And again in the second one the integration is also similarly there is a minus cos, there is a pi minus 2n pi into x by the x coefficient is here that is a pi minus 2n pi is a value. Now here the limits are in between 0 comma 1. Therefore it is a pi into that is a cos minus it is a upper limit that is a 0 comma 1 according to 1 by 1 replacing 1 and also 0, that is the first bracket is a minus cos of that is a pi plus 2n pi by pi plus 2n pi minus of cos of that is a pi minus 2n pi by pi minus 2n pi, and minus the lower limit is also at x is equal to 0. Clearly it is a minus that is a cos 0 by pi plus 2n pi minus cos 0 by that is a pi minus 2n pi. And here By using that one by one, the values are that is a cos pi plus 2n pi is equal to that is a take out common pi. That is a pi cos of that is a pi into that is 1 plus 2n pi. The value is equal to that is minus 1 whole power of 1 plus 2n. Therefore, for all values of it is equal to minus 1 is a value. And similarly, while you are going to replacing that is a cos of pi into 2n pi is nothing but that is a pi, that is a cos of 1 minus 2n into that is also pi. And here also that is a minus 1 whole power 1 minus 2n. And here also the value is equal to minus 1. Therefore, by using this condition, it is a first one, it is also 1, and again the second one is also that is a minus 1. Therefore, by using all this value, it is equal to clearly the 1 by 1 you obtain that is a pi into that is 1 by pi plus 2n pi, and again plus 1 by pi minus 2n pi, and again plus 1 by pi plus 2n pi, and again similarly plus 1 by that is a pi minus 2n pi. Therefore, by using that, take the LCM and again the total simplification you obtain clearly there is a pi into 2 by pi plus 2n pi, and again the similarly plus 2 by that is a pi minus 2n pi is the value. Here, this is the value of that is equal to n value. And again, after that simplification, if it is possible, you can do that. There is a pi by pi into that is a 2 by 1 plus 2n into pi plus 2 by 1 minus 2n into pi. And here 2 by 2 by is also common term. You need to take out common outside. That is a 2 by n into that is a 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 1 minus 2n. And again here also that pi once again it is a cancel. Therefore, that is a 2 into, after take the LCM and again the cross multiplication, you obtain that clearly 1 minus 2n plus that is 1 plus 2n by that is 1 plus 2n into 1 minus 2n. Here once again that plus 2n and minus 2n is a cancel. Therefore, you obtain that clearly the 2 into 2 is a numerator, that is a 4 by the denominator 1 plus 2n into 1 minus 2n, there is nothing but that is 1 minus 4n square because of a plus b into a minus b is a value. Therefore, this is the value of clearly finally that n is equal to that is a 4 by 1 minus 4n square is a value. Now, we will go to discuss that finally the required value of that is a bn value. Therefore, similarly here also the value of bn is equal to the formula 1 by L into integration c to c plus 2L into f of x into sine n pi x by L into dx. And here also we know that L is equal to that is a value of 1 by 2, and again that f of x is equal to pi into sine pi x is a value. And once again here also that simplification here you obtain the 2 into integration 0 to 1, that is a pi into sine pi x into that is a sine of that is a 2n pi x into dx. And once again, here also, if you are going to consider that is a pi take out common outside, the 2 consider inside of the bracket, that is integration. Therefore, after interchanging like that here 2 and also pi, the value is equal to that is a pi into integration 0 to 1, that is a 2 into sine pi x into sine of 2n pi x into that is a dx. And here also, once again, if you are going to discussing that is a integration by parts like formula, it is also by using the component and the multiple angle formula. There is a 2 sin A sin B is nothing but according to we know that that is a 2 sin A sin B is equal to that is a minus cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. But here that A is the value of that is a pi x and B is equal to the value of that is a 2n pi x. Therefore, by using here A comma B, that formula that is a pi into integration 0 to 1, therefore it is equal to that is a within the bracket that is minus cos of that is a pi x plus 2n pi x, and again plus cos of that is also pi x minus 2n pi x is the value. Now that is integration with respect to dx also. Therefore, that is a pi into integration 0 to 1. Once again, you need to take out common x is outside, that is equal to minus cos of that is a pi plus 2n pi into that is x, and within the second bracket also you need to take out common x is outside, that is a plus cos of that is a pi minus 2n pi into that is also x into that is a dx. It is a clear information regarding that one by one the terms. Now we need to find out what is the integration of the part, that is pi into, first is it is a integration is a cos, integration is that is a sine. Therefore, the first term it is a minus sine of that is a pi plus 2n pi by into x by that is a pi plus 2n pi. And again the second one also, the integration of cos is nothing but that is a sine of that is a pi minus 2n pi into x by that is a pi minus 2n pi in between 0 comma 1. Now we need to replace that, but before going to replace here, the value we need to take out common pi is outside. Therefore, it is equal to minus half, that is a sine of pi plus 2n pi by pi plus 2n pi. Here, that is equal to replacement of x is equal to 1 and also 0. Here it is clearly the first one minus sine of pi plus 2n pi by pi plus 2n pi plus sine of that pi minus 2n pi by pi minus 2n pi. The second limits are also at x is equal to 0, that is minus of minus into sine 0 by pi plus 2n pi plus sine 0 by pi minus 2n pi. Here, now we are going to observing here, the numerator is also like according to that sine of pi plus 2n pi is equal to, that is sine pi into cos to 2n pi plus cos pi into sine 2n pi. By using the values are here, for all values of sine pi is equal to, the value is equal to 0. And similarly, the first term it is also 0. And second one is also by using this one here also, that sine of a minus b, that is sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. And moreover, here also that first term it is sine pi, the value is 0. The second term, that is sine 2n pi, the value are also 0. Therefore, in the second term is also like the 0 clearly. Therefore, in the third one 0 and sine 0, and moreover the fourth one is also sine 0 is a 0. That conclusion of here, that totally the value of it is equal to the value of the 0 only. And therefore, this is the value of bn is equal to 0. Now, by using that required Fourier series, that is f of x, while we are going to replace that whatever we know that the a0, a and bn values, here a0 is equal to 4 and an is equal to, that is 4 by 1 minus 4n square, and bn the value is equal to 0. By using these are the three values, we are going to replace in the required Fourier series. Therefore, the required Fourier series f of x is nothing but that is a e power minus x is nothing but that is a 4 by 2 is nothing but also that is a 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. Here, that is a 4 by 1 minus 4n square into cos, that is n pi by x is by L is nothing but that is a 2n by x plus bn is also nothing but according to, we know that the value of 0. Therefore, in this equation, the terms, sign terms which is not involved because of the value of bn is equal to 0. Now we'll go to discuss one more problem based upon this method, that is the limits are in between 0, 2l if f of x plus 2 is equal to f of x. Find the Fourier series expansion of the function f of x is equal to, the limits are in between 0, 1 and 1, 2, whereas the limits are in between 0, 1, the function is a pi x, and in between the limits are 1 to 2, the function is a pi into 2 minus x is the function. That means when we are going to observing here, it is also clearly that is arbitrary periods, and also we need to find out the Fourier series expansion. That means according to the working rule here, the arbitrary periods according to in this class, that is a Fourier arbitrary periods in the interval 0, 2l, here clearly that is the limits are in between 0 to 2l. Therefore, the function, the required Fourier series f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l into is a value. Now, here also we need to find out what is the limits in between 0 to 2l. Comparison to 0 to 2l, here the limits are 0 to 2. Why? Because the starting limit is a 0 and again that ending limits is a 2. When we are comparison here 0 to 2l, that it is a 2l is equal to that is a 2. Therefore, L is equal to clearly we obtain 1 is a limit. Therefore, the required Fourier series when you are going to replace in the equation 1, that is f of x is equal to n by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by L is nothing but here 1, therefore n pi x plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn into that is a sin n pi x by L, and here also L is equal to 1 is a value. Now, we need to find out first of all, that is according to working rule, that is a0. Therefore, a0 is equal to that is a 1 by L. Therefore, the intervals in between that integration c to c plus 2l into f of x into dx. Now, we are going to replace that f of x in between 0 to 2, that is with the help of the limits, that is c is equal to 0 and 2l is equal to, whereas the limit l is equal to 1. Therefore, the limits are in between 0 to 2, that is f of x into dx. And once again, if you are going to divide according to the given function in between 0 to 2, once again, when we are going to replace that is a 0 to 1 and 1 to 2, that is a continuation limits. And whereas limits here 0 to 1, the function is a pi x into dx. And similarly, that is interval in between that 1 to 2, the function is a clearly given pi into that is a 2 minus x into that is a dx. And here, that integrating by applying that is a pi take out common here clearly into that is a integration of x is nothing but that is x square by 2, the limits are in between 0 to 1, and plus the second term is also we need to take out common, pi is outside. The function is the 2 minus x. The integration of the 2 minus x is nothing but individually that is 2x minus that is x square by 2. The limits are in between 0 to 2. And once again, by replacement of that upper limit that is a 1 and lower limit it is a 0 in the first part, and again whereas in the second part is also the upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 1. By using that according to that upper limit as well the lower limit including the first term and again the second part, here that is a pi by 2 plus pi into that is a after replacement of that upper limit and also the lower limit, it is clearly that is a 4 minus 2 plus 1 by 2 is the value. Therefore, once again after that simplification of here, that is the value is a pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Therefore, together the value is equal to pi is clearly. Now, we need to find out that second one that is in the required Fourier series, that is the first equation, that is the a value. Therefore, we know that the formula that is n is equal to that is 1 by L integration of c to c plus 2L into f of x into that is a cos n by x by L into that is a dx. And once again, it is a value of that L is, as we know that already completed, the L is equal to that is a 1 only. Therefore, that is a integration 0 to 2 into f of x into that is a cos n pi x into dx. And once again, if you are going to divide in between 0 to 2, that is a 2 parts. One is 0 to 1 and again 1 to 2. Whereas in between 0 to 1, the function is clearly there is a pi x and again remaining cos x into that is a cos n pi x into that is a dx. And one more the point continuation of the 1 to 2, the function second term is a in between 1 to 2, that is a pi into that is a 2 minus x into cos n pi x into dx. And once again, it is a pi into first point we need to take out common pi is outside. The second one inside of the bracket that is clearly that is x into cos n pi x into dx. Therefore, by using the integrating by parts, here you need to follow according to the Leibniz formula or by what is that alternate that is integrating by parts formula. It is u dv is equal to that is uv minus u dash into v1 is a value. That means that u is a first function and v is a second function, the integration by applying, and u dash is the derivative of u first part, and again that v1 is nothing but whatever we treated as the first integration, once again you need to do that second one integration. And by using here Leibniz or integrating by parts formula, here that by integration the value is a pi into that is x into that cos n pi x in the integration is a that is sin n pi x by n pi minus the derivative of x is nothing but 1 and sin pi n pi x by n pi is also once again the integration we obtain that minus cos that is n pi x by that is n square into pi square, whereas the limits are in between 0 to 1. Plus pi into in the second term is also, while we are going to by using the integrating by parts, the first part it is assumed that is u and in the second part we assume that is a cos n pi x into that is a value. Therefore, by using that once again the integrating by parts formula, it is a 2 minus x is the first part and the second part the integration of the cos is nothing but sin n pi x by that is a n pi minus that first one the derivative is a 2 minus x derivative is a minus 1 and the sin n pi x by n pi is nothing but the integration is a minus cos n pi x by that is n square into that is a pi square. In between the limits are 1 to 2, that second part. Therefore, once again after that simplification in that first part and second part, we obtain that is a pi into that is x into sin n pi x by n pi minus plus minus into minus the plus. Clearly we obtain there is a cos n pi x by n square into pi square. The limits are in between 0 to 1 and plus that in the second part there is a pi after take out common, that is a 2 minus x into sin n pi x by n pi minus cos n pi x by that is n square into pi square. In between the limits are 1 to 2 only. And once again by using the limits like according to the upper limit as well as the lower limit, as we know that that is a sin n pi into 1, that is a sin n pi. For all values of sin n pi is equal to sin 0 is equal to the value is a, you know that. And once again that cos n pi x, and again here also that x is equal to 1 by replacement of the value, that is cos n pi, the value is we know that that is minus 1 whole power n. And second one the lower limit with respect to sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 the value is equal to 1 is a value. That is according to whatever we know that the standard formula here, that is a sin n pi is equal to that is a 0 and again similarly sin 0 is also 0 and cos n pi is nothing but that is a minus 1 whole power n and again cos that is a 0 is equal to the value is a 1 only. By using these are the four values, when we are going to replace here in this that is the first part and also the second part, it is clearly that is a pi into the first part is clearly by using this value it is 0 plus minus 1 whole power n by n square into pi square minus 0 minus 1 by n square into pi square plus second term that is a pi into that is a by replacement of the upper limit 2 and also 1. Here also we obtain that clearly in the second part that is a 0 minus 1 by n square into pi square minus 0 plus minus 1 whole power n by that is n square into that is a pi square. And again, here also once again after that complete simplification of here, there is a 2 pi by that is n square into pi square into that is a minus 1 whole power n minus 1 is a value. That is after that cancellation of minus 1 by n square pi square and again plus 1 by n square pi square, and together it is nothing but 2 pi by n square into pi square of that is a minus 1 whole power n minus 1 is a value. And while we are going to observing in this last equation, that is nothing but whatever we consider within the bracket, that is a minus 1 whole power n, that is a minus 1 is a value. When we are going to observing clearly, it is depend upon the even value and the odd value. It may be two different values you obtain. Here, for example, if it is n is equal to odd, that is nothing but you treat it as n is equal to 1. Therefore, when we are going to replacing that n is equal to 1, that you obtain the value that is a within the bracket that n is equal to 1 is minus 2, and already pre-multiplication with the 2 pi by n square pi square. Therefore, for odd values of that n is equal to odd, you obtain that clearly there is minus 2 into something like that. Therefore, that is a minus 4 by that is n square into the value is a pi square is a value. After that cancellation of the numerator pi and also that is a pi value. And it is n is equal to odd, the value is finally conclusion minus 4 by n square into pi. And similarly, if it is n is equal to even, that n is equal to even is nothing but you assume that n is equal to 2. Therefore, the value is nothing but it is equal to n is equal to is the value is a numerator, it is a 0. Because of that it is a minus 1 whole power n minus 2, that n is equal to 2, that is a minus 1 whole square is a 1. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. Therefore, with the help of this, the n is equal to even and n is equal to odd. The values are clearly that n is equal to minus 4 by that is n square into pi, and the second value is a 0 is a clearly we obtain. And similarly, we need to go to find out that is a bn value also. That bn is nothing but with the help of the formula 1 by L integration c to c plus 2L into f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. Therefore, that is a L is equal to, as we know that is a 1 value. Therefore, 1 by 1 into integration c to c is also we know that 0. Therefore, 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 integration 0 to that is a 2. That is f of x into that is a sin n pi x by L. But here also L is equal to 1. That is n pi x into that is a dx. And here once again we are going to replace that in between 0 to 2. The values are like 0 to 1 and again the continuation 1 to 2 also, because of the given function is the two parts, that is 0 to 1 and 1 to 2 parts. And while we are going to discussing here in between 0 to 1, the function is a f of x, it is a pi x into that is a sin n pi x into that is a dx. And moreover, in between 1 to 2, the function is a clearly pi into 2 minus x into that is sin n pi x into dx only. Therefore, here also in this first part, after take out common, that is a pi. Therefore, pi into that x into sin n pi x is also once again while we are going to discussing according to here, the integrating by parts is a uv dv is equal to uv minus that is u dash into v1. And again, including that the values whatever you know that there is a sin n pi is equal to the value is a minus 1 of whole power n, and cos 0 is also nothing but the value is 0. And similarly, as we know that there is a sin 2n pi is equal to that is a sin n pi is equal to that is a value of 0, and including there is a sin 0 is also value is a 0. And here cos 0 is nothing but it is a 1 value only. It is not 0. It is a cos 0 is nothing but according to the value is a 1 only. Therefore, by using here cos n pi is equal to that is a minus 1 whole power n, and cos 0 is equal to 1, and sin 2n pi is equal to sin n pi is equal to 0, and including finally that is sin 0 is also the value is a 0. By using such type of all these values, that is a Leibniz formula, that is integrating formula, or by using that standard values of sin and cos together, when you are going to replace in the equation here, that is upper limit and also the lower limit, that is equal to pi into that is minus x into that is cos n pi x by n pi plus sin n pi x by that is n square pi square. The limits are in between 0 to 1, and again minus pi into that is a 2 minus x into that is a cos n pi x by n pi plus sin n pi x by that is n square pi square. In between 1 to 2 is a value. Once again, according to what I say something here, the values are sin 0, sin n pi, cos 0, cos n pi. Together, we obtain it is a clearly pi into that is a minus into minus 1 whole power n by that is n pi plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus pi into, and other values are also 0 plus 0 minus 1 whole power n by that is clearly n pi plus 0 is a value. And after that, once again, the simplification of here, that is equal to you obtain pi by that is a n pi into minus of whole power n plus of minus 1 whole power n is equal to conclusion 0. Because of here, it is a minus 1 whole power n plus and minus 1 whole power n, that is also the value is equal to negative, that together it is totally 0. Therefore, here the values are bn is equal to 0. Therefore, with the help of this conclusion, here with the help of the a0, an and bn values, the required Fourier series, that is f of x is equal to, there is a pi by 2 minus 4 by 2 pi into cos pi by x, cos pi x by 1 square plus cos 3 pi x by 3 square plus cos 5 pi x by 3 5 square plus up to so on. This is a required Fourier series whenever the given function is a in between 0 to 1 and also 1 to 2. The functions are in between, that is a pi into x, and second function is that is a pi into 2 minus x. This is the required final solution. And if the problems are asking like that any deduce, again once again by using this is the function, we need to replace that x is equal to either 0 or pi by 2. That is a required solution. We need to verify the required Fourier series. And now the conclusion of here, that whatever we discuss now itself, that is in between 0 to 2l, find the Fourier series for f of x is equal to, that is x square in between 0 comma 2. While you are going to observing here, there is clearly that is a 0 to 2l, but don't misunderstand here, the limits are not 0 to l only. It is clearly 0 to 2l only. While we are going to comparison here, that is l is equal to 1, clearly we explain, but we are not going to concentrate on the function, it is a even function. We should concentrate only on the function of 0 to 2l limits only, because of the function is not specifically asking any either the sine series or cosine series. And what we discussed in the second one, that is obtain the Fourier series for f of x equal to e power minus x are also, we are not concentrating whether the function is an even function, odd function or neither function. It is clearly the limits are, that is 0 is less than x is less than 2. Therefore, it is also comparison with the help of the 0 to 2l only. Therefore, with the help of the concentration, that is a general formula, 0 to 2l only, we need to find out that is a0, an, bn values, then find the solution. And again, one other problem also just now we discussed, that is find the Fourier series of the periodic function, that is f of x equal to pi into sin pi x is the value. And moreover, here also we should not concentrate like whether the function is even function, odd function or neither function, because of the limits are not specifically like that minus pi to pi or any other 0 to pi, or not asking any the sine series or cosine series. It is find the Fourier series for the function, that is a periodic function f of x is equal to, there is a pi into sine n pi, that is a pi x. The limits are clearly 0 to 2l only. That means we need to follow with the help of the 0 comma 2l only. Therefore, here also the limits are l is equal to 1 only. And similarly, what we discussed, that is finally the problem of f of x plus 2 is equal, that is f of x. Find the Fourier series of the function, and whereas here also we should not bother about the function is a even function, odd function or neither function. Why? Because the limits are clearly, that is 0 comma 2l only. Therefore, while we are going to comparison, it is 0 comma 2l only. Therefore, l is equal to 1, and corresponding that required the Fourier series, we need to find out, that is a0, an, bn, and again by using the formula Fourier series f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l is the required series. And again, the conclusion of today's class, that is a Fourier series in the interval that is 0 comma 2l. The required Fourier series we need to consider in between 0 to 2l, that is f of x is the a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an into cos n pi x by l plus bn into sin n pi x by l, where the limits are, that is values are a0, an, bn are called as a Fourier coefficients or Euler coefficients. Therefore, we need to find out that a0 is equal to, with the help of this formula, it is 1 by l into integration 0 to 2l, that f of x into dx, and an is equal to 1 by l integration 0 to 2l, that f of x into cos n pi x by l into dx, and finally the value of bn is equal to 1 by l into integration 0 to 2l, that is f of x into sin n pi x by l into dx. These are the required to find out when the given limits are in between 0 to 2l, but we are not going to do that any identification of the required the values are even function or odd function or neither function. And also we should not change the limits are like 0 to 2l is equal like the 2 by l or something 2 into 0 to l. It is not required, because of the limits are clearly given the 0 to 2l only. That is the meaning of the required Fourier series is the full range series only. And again, no need to concentration and no need to identify that whether the function is even function or odd function and also neither function. It is a not concept involving under this is the Fourier full range series under the arbitrary periods, that is a 0 comma 2l is the limits of the given equation. Therefore, it is a conclusion of this one, the Fourier series in the interval that is 0 comma 2l. That thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.